Hi there everyone, I can't wait for you to try this really simple and fresh recipe that includes strawberries and rhubarb right from your garden, and especially great if they are seasonal and extra juicy. So check it out and let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it really helps me to keep developing new recipes for you to try. And one more thing, all my recipes are mostly plant-based and completely allergen friendly, so free of all top allergens. So if you cannot eat dairy, eggs, gluten, peanuts, nuts, etc., these are for you.